In this video, we are going to see that if you want to enter or add multiple customers at the same time, how we can easily do this in QuickBooks 2024. So let's get started. So from here, I'll click on customers, and from customers, I'll select the new customer. Now I can enter the customers from here. If you have a couple of customers, but let's say that you have hundreds or thousands of customers in here. So how will we enter that? If we enter it one by one, it will take a lot of time. So instead, what we will do is I'll just open this drop down and click on multiple customers and jobs. So as you can see that we have an Excel kind of template here, and on the top it says that select a list. List means what kind of data you want to import. You want to enter the customers, vendors, or inventory parts, non-inventory parts, whatever. Customize columns to display. That means that if you have data on Excel, you can customize according to that sequence. For example, I have here the customer details first, means customer name, and then balances, and maybe then we have the opening dates. So I have to arrange the columns in the same sequence. And the third step is paste from Excel or type to add or modify to your list. So it's very convenient to directly just copy all the data from Excel and just paste it right here. So what we will do is we will customize all of these columns according to our Excel data. But I need to enter the opening dates here. So let's enter 1st of January 2024, and just I'll drag and drop to all. And if we see some other dates, you can just click on autofill options and click on copy cells. So now we have the details of all columns. Now I will customize these columns according to the Excel. So for first column, I need the customer names, then the balances, then the date. So I can click on this customize columns from here. And we have two fields available here. One is available columns, one is chosen columns. So these all columns which are showing on the front end are the chosen columns. So these are quite a lot. What I'll do is just go to the bottom and simply start clicking to remove it all. Only this field cannot be removed. Now all of them have moved to available columns. Now I can add according to my choice. So we have the customer balance in available columns. I'll just add this one, and opening balance as of date. I need this one as well. And I need in the same sequence. But by the way, if you want to change the sequence, you can just select any chosen column and move up or down according to your requirement. So let's click OK, and let's adjust the size of the fields. And now I can directly copy the data from here. Let's copy and paste. So the data perfectly fit in the columns. Just confirm the balance one by one to see everything looks good, and then you can save the changes. Close and close. So this is how we quickly entered the customer balances. Let's confirm the account receivable total with this one. I'll go to home and click on chart of accounts, and let's search for account receivable. As you can see that 1,650,000 is updated perfectly with this method. So guys, this is how you can enter multiple customers in QuickBooks.